Hola, es Fiorella de Anyhow Screening, and this is our second trip. We almost done. You will see better the garage. We already take out all the carpets and pads. We are throwing out some garbage. We have to throw it away, those chairs. We already dumped all the carpets on the patio. Now we are putting the patio chairs. If you have an eviction home, heavy duty cleaning, they are working. Another company is working landscaping. If you have an eviction home, heavy duty hoarder houses, really bad situation, just call us at 407-572-4118, anyhousecleaning.com. I hope I can finish today because we have to clean really good this garage and pressure washer. Maybe tomorrow we will finish, but pretty much it's almost empty. Thank you for watching. Bye.